Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to sign up and use Storyblocks as an Envato Elements alternative. Are you looking for an alternative to Envato Elements? Well, Storyblocks might just be the website for you, so stay tuned. Alright, so if you have had worked or have a marketing agency, an online business, or have worked with like online freelancers, you probably have heard of Envato Elements, which is one of the best sources for premium online assets. So whether it's stock footage, stock videos, video templates, music, sound effects, graphic templates, graphics, presentation templates, and much more. A lot of people pretty much use Envato Elements, but there's a lot of other alternatives that you can use. And one of the best is Storyblocks. So Storyblocks is pretty much the same. It's a traditional stock footage site that has a lot of assets, a lot. And it gives you unlimited downloads as long as you're signed up and subscribed to them. And again, I'm just going to preface this video. This is not a video that's not for free assets. This is for paid assets because this is pretty much for businesses, online agencies, and like proper online freelancing professionals sources, right? So to go to Envato, to go to Storyblocks, just go to Google Storyblocks, and it's gonna be the first result that's gonna pop up. So when you click on this, you're gonna go to their website, and as you can see, it says unlimited stock media. So video templates, audio, images. They have a big, and I mean big, library of assets. So as you can see here, for freelancers who want to make more videos faster than ever before, that means if your freelancer is using Storyblocks, well, you're in good hands because they're investing in themselves, meaning they're investing in you. So to sign up for Storyblocks, it's pretty much the same as Envato. Just go again in their website, just click on the join now button on their upper right corner. Just click on that, right? And it's going to show you this pretty standard. What's your email? What's your password? Click on agree to their terms and services and then click account. Or easier, click on sign with Google if you have a Google account, which pretty much everybody has in 2023, right? This is faster. It's gonna need, I think it's gonna need a confirmation. It's gonna send up confirmation emails, and then you need to click a link to go back to Storyblocks. And once you've done that, then you're all set. You have created your free Storyblocks account. Now what you need to do is log in, right? And then go to pricing, so you would know how much or what plan you need to go for. And as you can see, you can choose a plan to start creating better videos faster than ever. So the starter plan is $15 per month, and this is going to be billed annually. So 5 total monthly downloads, HD footage, music, photos, right? But as you can see here, the most popular plan is the 30 a month that's billed annually, because not only does it give you unlimited downloads, it gives you unlimited downloads of HD footage, 4K footage, After Effects templates, other Adobe templates, music and sound effects, photos, vectors, and illustrations, and a lot more. And again, you can cancel. The best thing about this is you can cancel it at any time. So for example, you just want to try it, pay for 1 month, and download every asset you need for that 1 month for those projects. After you download everything, you could cancel your subscription to this plan, right? And again, it has access to make your video editor, and it has individual license, meaning every single download you get has an individual license, which means once you download it, you can use it. It doesn't matter if if the plan expired, as long as you download and make the video and upload it before the expiration date, you're fine. You're not going to be copyright striked. Nothing like that, right? So this is for individuals, by the way. For businesses, you can get a quote because I think this is a more customizable. This is a more customizable plan. So after that, right? Let's go back to the homepage. And if you hover your cursor to the stock media, as you can see here, it has video home, meaning stock footage, animated backgrounds, video templates. In audio, it has royalty-free music. It has sound effects. In image home, it has a lot of collections. So that would be, yeah. And then again, stock footage, you have aerial animals, businesses, celebrations, lifestyle. So many options you can use. Creative tools, it has an option for Creative Cloud plugins. They have an online video editor, and it has a Maker for Teams, which is for this option is for businesses, for online digital agencies and whatnot. And then for businesses, you can have information for their licenses, for their broadcast and production information, e-learning, media organizations, marketing teams, and so on and so forth, right? So as you can see here, again, the main things are video, audio, images, and music, right? Audio, although music is under audio. And it's gonna under the search bar, it's gonna be spring fitness area. So it's gonna show you what's trending right now, meaning what assets are being downloaded the most for a certain period of time, right? So yeah. So for example, let's search for music, right? Music. Let's search for spooky background music, and let's click on this. And it says it has 15 results found. And as you can see, these are the results that came out from our search bar. So House of Horror, Ancient Alien Encounters. Like, you can play this. I don't want to play this because I don't want to be copyrighted. But there's a lot of moods. There's a lot of moods like angry, dark, epic, happy, inspiring, love, playful. So again, Storyblocks has one of the biggest like asset libraries on any platform out there. So it is a good alternative to Envato Elements. If you go to Envato's pricing, it's pretty much the same thing. Although Envato's like advantage over Storyblocks is that it's $16.50 per month, and it gives you unlimited downloads. Meanwhile, Storyblocks, like what we saw earlier, $15, 5 downloads or something. $30 is the unlimited one. But again, in my opinion, Storyblocks has a bit better assets, especially with like templates and whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.